Pork Nilaga is the unsung pop culture icon by Pork Nilaga. We will break down the socio-cultural impact of Pork Nilaga on Gen Z internet culture. We all know that we are passing through to a new zeitgeist of internet users. We just cannot deny the fact that the Pork Nilaga humor became an impactful moment in the Philippine internet. It was very dry, very unpredictable, very shitpost, and very conceited. In the era when TikTok was mostly a dancing app, walang ibang sumikat sa TikTok habang yung earphones niya ay literally hanging by a thread. Talak talaga siya. There was Pork Nilaga posting himself na nagpupukpok ng kisame habang nakikinig sa Last Dance ni Donna Summers. Is Pork Nilaga the pioneer of shit posting in the Philippines? Siya nga ba ang nag-establish sa pambansang chismosang nanay ng makabasang Pilipino na si Tita Marites? Siya nga ba ang nag-coin ng term na Tita Marites? Isa din daw siya sa mga nagpauso ng TikTok Premium sa Pilipinas. Hindi pa uso nun ang DJI mic. Extra phone na nakasuot sa medyas ang ginagamit niya. Queen of resourcefulness, ika nga nila. No one dared to post like that. He continued to reinvent himself over and over as if siya talaga ang pabrika ng rebranding sa Pilipinas. Kahit ang pinaka naalala lang naman sa kanya ay ang Shrek niyang PFP. Masasabi pa ba nating isa siyang unsung pop culture icon with all the doors that he has opened? Comment down below.